What's going on YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be installing my TruFiber carbon fiber trunk.
This 50 go.
Don't drink and drive.
What's up YouTube? Today we're going to reach in the box to see what comes out. Let's get this bad boy open. Alright, there you have it. The TruFiber carbon fiber trunk. Next time you see this bad boy, it'll be in the car. Alright, a couple things that are different than the stock one. First is I have a GPS, so I'm gonna have to drill a hole somewhere here in the center, which is gonna be kind of scary to do. And looks like I'll be switching back to the old fake gas cap looking thing. Lucky I saved my old one, so you'll be coming back onto the new one, retro style. I don't know, like I said, I like the blank look, or whatever you call it, you know, without this little thing here. But I just hate that cut into this carbon fiber. It's too nice to be cutting out. But maybe I'll roto balls one day and cut it out. I don't know. As you can see, I got the wiring harness, everything unhooked from the car. This is just a GPS antenna. I'm gonna leave that on there for a while. And I'll take this off later on too, and this right here, and put it on the new one. You want to put a towel down right here if you're doing it by yourself, so whenever you do pop this off, it don't fall down and scratch up, you know, your back of your window or your trunk. It's hard to believe how heavy this stock trunk is compared to the new carbon fiber one. This thing right here is heavy right now, so it don't fall off. Finger tight, finger tight, finger tight. But as you can see, there's no places to put these back in, so you're going to have to drill some little holes right there so you can put your wiring harness back in. You don't want to tighten them too tight, because this is like fiberglass or something like that. This will probably crack on you, so you don't want to over torque these bolts down. now you want to get the little plastic tabs. Just push them in there. Then once you get the screws in, you just want to use a regular screwdriver. You don't want to, like I said, tighten these things down too much because it will crack on you. Alright, you want to get your bump stops, screw them down. Get the other one and do the same thing. I got the holes drilled out to put the stock harness back in there, so I got that back on there. Alright, we're almost all done. What you want to do is make sure you got your hood latch, trunk latch bolts tightened up, make sure you got your brake light tightened up, and your latch and your bump stops. And then last but not least, you're going to have to drill your holes out for your cover, unless you don't want the cover on. I mean, they did a nice job of gel coating it so you don't have to, but I'm gonna put mine back on. The markings to drill the hole, what I did was, it's kind of hard doing it by yourself, but you have somebody hold it up for you and get it centered like you want. And then what you do is just, you know, drill a little hole, pilot hole on all these little spots right here, and then you'll know exactly where to drill at. Alright, push all your little push pins in. I didn't put one there because that's kind of, you're getting close to going through the other side if you put one there, so don't put one there. Alright, I put my GPS antenna right there for temporary because I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Alright. The TruFiber, carbon fiber, rear trunk. Now I still got to put my old California Special fake gas cap back on, but I just hate to tear this up getting it off. So like I said, I've been having this right here hanging on my wall for the longest time, so maybe I'll look on eBay or something for a used one to put back on there and save this one. Alright, there you have it, YouTube. My TruFiber carbon fiber trunk. If you could take the old one off, you could put the new one on. There is a couple more holes you have to drill for the wiring harness and stuff like that, but it's pretty basic, nothing to worry about. So, hope you enjoyed the video. You know the routine. You can follow me on Instagram at this50go if you want to see how the car looks now, because these videos are a little bit behind, and you know the rest of the routine. Don't drink and drive. Hit that like, subscribe button. Until next time. Peace.